So, friends, today I'm going to be sharing with you our Abu Dhabi and Dubai holiday trip. Now, we went to Abu Dhabi first, but I'll be putting that up later. So, this is when we were just driving down from Abu Dhabi to Dubai. Uh, it's just a beautiful city, and it's so clean and so organized. So we had a 5 day holiday since my children had holidays. And we first went to Abu Dhabi. We were there for 2 whole days. We went to the Ferrari Park and Warner Brothers, and we stayed at a beautiful hotel at Yas Island in the Hilton Hotel. It was really amazing. And then we drove down to Dubai, and we stayed in Dubai for about 3 days. So it was a real nice holiday. So this is the Dubai Metro, and then you'll see the Museum of the Future. So I hope you like this series. I'm just putting in a little bit of clips that we shot uh, on our travel. And the first day after we drove, we went to meet some family and friends. So the whole morning was busy with that and checking into our hotel and just settling down. And then, of course, this is the Dubai frame which we shot on the way. And then we went to the Dubai Mall in the afternoon, and it's such a huge mall. You need almost like 2 to 3 hours to roam the mall. And this is the Dubai Aquarium. We didn't go inside, but this was a shot outside. You can see almost all of the lovely sea creatures, the sharks and the manta rays, everything. So we took a nice look from the outside. Since we had a very short holiday and we had a lot of things to do on our itinerary, we skipped this. Maybe on our next visit, we'll definitely go and visit it. So we did a lot of walking in the Dubai Mall. Lost a lot of kilos, I think, walking everywhere in both in Abu Dhabi and in Dubai. So we had a real nice holiday, and even shopping is amazing. I mean, you just want to shop and shop till you drop in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. And of course, the food was amazing. We tried a lot of different kind of food, and it was really, really nice. So I'm just showing you a little bit of snippets of what we did. This was the day one in Dubai, and this is all being shot on the GoPro. And it was a real peak season, so Dubai was really crowded. Abu Dhabi wasn't that much, but Dubai was very crowded. And then the Burj Khalifa is, right in the Dubai Mall. I mean, it's just right next to the Dubai Mall, so you can access it. So we booked all our tickets online, so we didn't have to do last minute, any booking. And then we went to the lift, and the lift is like really, really fast. In 1 minute, you reach from the ground. This is the inside of the lift, and you reach in 1 minute from the ground floor to the 124th floor. So that was like really crazy. And of course, our ears were all buzzing by the time we reached the 124th floor. This is the inside of the elevator. And of course, we wanted to see the city from, a night view. So, okay, this is still the lift going. And so we got a nice view of the city in the night. Many people recommended that you go in the night and see the Burj Khalifa. So this was how the city was all lit up. I mean, it's such a wonder that, some people were telling us a few years ago, like if you had to go like maybe 8 years ago to Dubai, there was nothing, and maybe 8 or 10 or maybe more than that. But now it's like you just can't imagine what they have done with the city. It's a real must visitor. It should be on your bucket list just to visit Abu Dhabi and Dubai. It's amazing. So this is the view from the 124th floor. And we happened to go on a Sunday, so it was jam packed. So I would recommend don't go on the weekends, go on a weekday, because then they have huge crowds. You have to wait for a long time. Of course, the elevator takes you up really quickly, but you have to wait in the queue to get to the elevator, and then even coming down takes a lot of time. And then after that, after seeing that, we came down to the this is the beautiful fountain show that happens down at the Dubai Mall. I could not put the music of that because you get copyright issues. So I'm just putting some music which is copyright free. So, but it was a beautiful show, and of course the weather was still pleasant, and uh, it's really beautiful. I mean, it's a real nice holiday, especially from people from Mumbai and India. The travel time is less, and everything is really easily. You can book everything very easily online. And this is the mall. As you can see that everyone, since it was a Sunday, so it's very crowded, and everyone was fighting for space to take a pic or the video of the fountain show. But it's beautiful. So I'll leave you with some music till then. So hope you enjoyed this short video. There are many more videos coming up. So stay tuned to Akshita's recipes for my Dubai and Abu Dhabi trip. Thank you for watching, guys.